So here's where I'm at with this project. I got the main support of the jaws made up, and looks pretty good. The face is made up, and for jaws, I was thinking about doing the classic 1-inch, but I have this 1 1/4 inch flat stock, 1/4 inch thick, and I think this would make up a better jaw because it's wider and it can grip better. And I also thought about making slots in it for extra grip, but this mill scale does give a pretty good surface, so I'm just going to try this at first because I do not have any cutting wheels right now, barely. And the other thing is, originally this was going to be a 5-inch vise, but if I have these stick out a little bit on each side, I can make it into a 6-inch. So that's what I think I'm going to do. This might be one of the trickiest parts. All right, here's the vise. I put some 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil on it and cleaned it up, and it's pretty smooth. Put a nut here so it retracts, and it goes in. And here's the jaws. So yeah, let's test this thing out. Just testing. As you can see, I have a vice grip. I still need to make a handle and paint this thing, but let's see how it grips. So tracks nice. Oh yeah, look at that, picking up the whole table. Let's see, try wood. Yep. Nice and solid. More metal. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere. Solid. So yep, it's working. All right, so here's my handle. I got a 9/16 nut, and I drilled out the threads a little bit for 1/2 inch. And here's a 1/2 inch threaded piece of, just 1/2 inch round stock. And then it's just gonna go like this, and it'll be able to swivel. So all right, seems to work. Okay, here's the finished product. It's been about a month since I have finished it, and it's been really handy. Now, I did say I was going to paint this, but as of right now, I'm thinking not. I might in the future, but I do like how it looks right now. For the handle, like I was showing, I just put a small bead on one side so the handle can slip out. So I left this side open. And for extra leverage, if you're really trying to clamp something down, you can use a 1 1/8 socket and just it slips right over. So you can have all this leverage to clamp something down. And then just put the handle back in, and yeah, it's pretty smooth. So yeah, I built it with a Lincoln AC 225 stick welder, some 6011, mostly 7018 AC, and a little bit of 7014, and I created this. And the rough build cost of this was about $60 or so. So yeah, thanks for watching.